I'm officially on days off. And I've decided I'm going to have some fun. All I ever do is work. And since they got those big fires going on in Jasper, I thought, well, that means I got to take the long way around. So in order for me to go home, I got to go to Edmonton, through Red Deer, Calgary. And to do that in one day is, I think it's 1,400 kilometers. And I thought, well, you know, they got so much fun stuff to see there. Why don't I do Edmonton one day, Red Deer the next day, and Calgary the next before I go home? So, right now, we are on our way to Sherwood Custom Trucks. And those guys got some really high-end diesels. They got a beautiful Duramax for 140 grand. They got a Sema Dodge there. There's a brand new Escalade all pimped out. They have about 30 Corvettes. And I want to see what these guys built. We have Argyle Motorsports, which they claim to be the largest motorcycle dealership in Edmonton. Well, I think we better go find out if that's true. We have JB's Power Center, which I always have seen their flyers. They sell performance parts, car audio, all that kind of stuff. It's supposed to be huge. I've never seen it. So, we're going to see what I can find around Edmonton. Hopefully we can find some hot rods and stuff too. And then we're going to head to Red Deer the next day and go check out Gasoline Alley. And who knows what I can get myself into around these places. There's so much fun stuff around. And then the next day we will head to Calgary and go check out Blackfoot Motorsports. And I am trying to connect with Mr. Power, who owns the gray convertible Mustang that we built. It's on the road and he's driving it. I think I need to see it. So I'm trying to line that up for the next 3 days. We'll see what I can accomplish. And then I go home and it's go time. We have to get the OBS Chevy on the ground with the new headers on and get that thing running. And I want to hear both the jet boats running. It's bugging me. I want all three of those running on this days off. And so if I have to take an extra couple of days off, I think we'll do that. Because this is August. This is the only time I'm going to get to try the jet boats out. So let's see what we can get accomplished. For now, we're going to see a Sema build. This is definitely not like being in the bush. It is very strange to go from in the mountains all the time to this. Concrete City. Now we are in Edmonton. Next stop, Sherwood Park. So I drove 550 kilometers today just to see this. I have been looking at this thing online for months now. Right there. Oh boy. Huh. This is Sherwood Buick GMC. This is a 2018 Dodge 3500. Crew cab with a custom built sled deck. Where do we even start? It's got 109,000 kilometers on it. Gunmetal fabrication wheels. Those are 26s with 40s. 1550 wide. It's got overlays everywhere. And according to their website, this is a Sema truck. It's got all sorts of cool lights. It's got the Baja fenders. Oh, striker. I'm not familiar with this lift kit, but it's a 12-inch lift. Oh, check out the bumper. Holy. Got headlights with all the matching colors. They did aftermarket mirrors. And as far as I know, this is just a stock powertrain with a cold air intake and a 4-inch exhaust with a big tip. What do you think? I'm really curious as to how this deck works. Now this thing was for sale for months for, I think they were at 93 grand. And they're down to, I think, 84. Oh. Look at that little air tank. Oh, right, it's got train horns. Ha ha. Forgot about that. My goodness. That's what this journey was about. I needed to know, like, did they build it and then put 109,000? Did they drive it and then build it? But by the looks of the undercarriage, it's seen a few miles. Can you see anything under here? Pretty much stock under the hood. Ha! So I'm just wandering around here at Sherwood Buick GMC, and these guys have like 8 SEMA builds, and they just take brand new trucks and pimp them right out. So I'm gonna do a bunch of shorts videos for you guys and just keep launching them as I'm here. They'll all be as quick as I can get them out, and we're gonna do a quick walk around and just show you all of the Duramaxes and Denali's that are lined up here. They all got BDS lift kits and fuel wheels and brands I've never heard of. If I go in the showroom, they got music just cranked in there, and I run into copyright issues, so I'll just keep those as shorts and edit it out, and we'll go for a quick walk around here. So we got a set of Cali off-road wheels, BDS suspension in this thing. I love the grills on these GMCs. We got an AT4 lifted. This one's actually used by the looks of the tires. They are literally customizing everything on the lot. They're now starting to do Yukons. They got the Hummer inside, the electric, the EV Hummer, another Denali lifted. And these guys do all the control arms and everything. They don't just, you know, half-ass it. I can't believe the amount of money laying around. Oh, we got a set of American Force with BDS suspension. But the amount of money in these vehicles. Instagram at Sherwood Customs. There's another one. There is a beautiful, oh, look at that. Like everything's got a lift kit in it here. But that's Alberta for you. Boy, that looks good. I've never looked at one of these before. And then we got this beauty. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm liking the mud flaps. Looks like they build their own mud flaps here. Now there's a custom shop in the back I'm hoping to get a tour of in the morning. Wow, that is beautiful. My goodness. There's another Hummer over there. We better go look. I did not know that they made an EV Hummer in the pickup style. Fuel off-road. Oh, it's got a set of lights up there. This one's been used. Got a cracked windshield. Holy, there's another one. So that's 3 that they have here. Okay, look at that. Ready to go. We should take it. Love the headlights. My goodness, what a place. And this is just the first stop. Welcome to Edmonton, Alberta. Look at that. A pearl white Denali half ton. That is beautiful. Didn't do that at all for the video, did he? Oh, love the exhaust. Oh my, I never should have came here. Yeah. I'm falling in love with GMCs again. That is beautiful. Look at that cabin chassis. I've never seen a cabin chassis that's actually beautiful. All right, I'm gonna show you the line over here of how many GMCs are around this place. It's crazy. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. These guys sell approximately 450 to 500 units a month. I had no idea. You know, you see all these videos online of how the auto industry's tanking and dealerships are going under. No, that is not what's going on here. So here's the fun part. There's another row there. There's another row all along there. There's another Hummer over there. And I've just been invited to talk to management and their social media team in the morning. I've been here a half hour. Oh boy. Well, I missed this one. Ha! A matte black Denali. And this is the last one I'm filming because I'm taking the Dodge Sema truck for a test drive now. Right now. Oh, this is so much fun. And I've now been invited to the custom shop, which is up the road, where they build the really high-end stuff. So we're gonna save that for another video because we're going to test drive Dodge. So I was just noticing, it's got little lights here, here, here. I see a fuel filler cap, but it's got the factory tank, it looks like. I'm not sure why the drive shaft has all the powder coating wearing out. It's got a little access lid there. You have the ramp, obviously comes out of here, but I see the latches. A lot of this needs to be repowder coated. Oh, we got a hitch. It's definitely had some sleds on it. I don't know. I see a little flaw in the paint here, which is bugging me. Right there. I don't know if that's a bubble. Is that going to start to rust? My goodness. That thing is cool. I just noticed another cool little feature here. Oh, found some damage. It's like we hit a bump while it was turning. Got some chips there. I'm thinking these were added after that. See, this is the thing, when you build the truck and then drive it, it's just starting to get rust here. Oh, there's all the lights. Little chips there. They're just starting to rust, which is gonna bug me. Oh, there's all the lights on. Oh God, haven't had to get in a truck this big for a while. Sounds good. Oh, there's the missing center cap. It's clean. There's the switches for all the lights, I guess. Wow. There's suspension service, full exhaust brake. Oh, because it doesn't have air suspension anymore. Still has the exhaust brake, that's good. All right, we're going to continue this in another video.